Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm Gurpal and you're watching Tech Time, where there's always time for tech. And today we've got the unboxing, setup and initial impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. So if you like the content, do subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Click the bell icon to be notified whenever we post a new video. Follow Tech Time on social media, where we post regular updates on the latest tech developments. Our social media handles will be on your screen. Without waiting any further, let's get started. Let's first open this giant outer box. I have no idea why they're using such a huge box for the watch. We have the box for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 in 41mm with some branding on the sides. Nothing really on the back. And the photo of the watch on the front. Now let's open it up and see what we get inside. So we get a box on top and the watch at the bottom. Let's first see what we get inside this box. In this box you get a quick start guide, some warranty paperwork, and you also get a puck wireless charger. It's the same charger that you get with the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. And it charges the watch from 0 to 100 in about 2 hours. Now let's have a look at the watch. It feels really nice in hand and feels really premium. There's the rotating bezel and it's covered by Gorilla Glass DX, and at the back we have the heart rate sensor. We also get a really nice quality leather strap, and we get 2 push buttons on the side. The rotating bezel gets a comeback after the Watch Active 2. Let's do a quick comparison with the Fossil Gen 5. Both feel really nice in hand, but the Samsung feels a little more premium with its glass back, whereas the Fossil Gen 5 has a plastic back with the circular rings for charging. They both have slightly different means of interacting with the watch. The Samsung has the rotating bezel, while the Fossil Gen 5 has the rotating crown on the side. The Fossil Gen 5 is a 44mm watch, while the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, this particular one, is the 41mm. It also comes in a 45mm. Samsung has a screen size of 1.2 inches, while the Fossil has a screen size of 1.28. The 45mm version has a 340 mAh battery, while this 41mm version has a 247 mAh cell. Now let's see what the setup process is like. Setting up the Watch 3 to my Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus was really simple. As soon as I turned on the watch, there was a pop-up on my phone and you just had to follow the instructions and it was already set up in a matter of minutes. While this is setting up, I'll tell you about some of the features of the watch. It can track 40 activities like running, swimming and more. It supports automatic tracking of 7 of those activities, has advanced run tracking, built-in GPS and an optical heart rate sensor. It has a pulse oximeter for recording on-demand VO2 max estimates. You can also measure your blood oxygen levels. It has advanced sleep tracking with a partnership with the National Sleep Foundation. It also has trip detection for falls, built-in ECG and blood pressure monitoring systems. All this is powered by the Exynos 9110 from Samsung with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of onboard storage. The Galaxy Watch 3 really looks smart on the wrist. The display is really clear and punchy, and the colors are really vibrant. I'll post a full review of the watch in the coming weeks. That's it for this quick video, guys. If you enjoyed it, click the like button and also subscribe to the channel. And click the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we post a new video. Follow Tech Time on social media, where we post regular updates on the latest tech developments. Our social media handles will be in the description. Ask me any questions you have regarding the Galaxy Watch 3 in the comments below, and I will try and answer them in my upcoming full review of the watch. If you would like to purchase anything shown in the video, links will be in the description. I'm Gurpal. You have been watching Tech Time. See you guys in the next one.